Welcome. In front of me I have Realme 5i and today I'll show you how easy you can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So at first you have to prepare a good source of light. Now as you can see in my case I have a lot of fingerprints on the display and we have to remove them. So let's right now open the box with tempered glass, and inside you will find for sure glass and two wipes, wet and the dry. At the first we are going to use the wet. So let's open it and then let's make a few moves in the circle just like that to clean our display. Open also the dry wipe. So when you finish with the wet, you can use dry one, and you can make the same moves in the circle. Okay, and right now the display is in a really good condition, so we can start with applying tempered glass. At the first we have to remove this sticker, so take it off like that. Now put the glass on the display, but keep holding the bottom part. Okay, I think that right now it looks nice. We have to put it the same like on the both sides, as you can see. So right now we can finally put the bottom part. And take a look. When we press with the finger in the middle, it will go automatically, so we don't even have to press. And there it is. Right now we can finally clean the tempered glass from fingerprints. And there it is. As you can see, that's how we can apply tempered glass on the Realme 5i. And there's no any problem with the touch interaction, so we can just apply it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.